Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if Equifax offers free credit scores. The answer is yes, Equifax does offer free credit scores. While you are entitled by law to a free credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, every 12 months, getting your score is a different matter. Many people think their credit report includes their credit score, but that's not usually the case. Your credit report is a detailed history of your credit accounts and payment history, while a credit score is a number calculated based on that information. To get a free credit score from Equifax, you can create a My Equifax account. This gives you access to a free monthly VantageScore 3.0 credit score, which is based on your Equifax data. This is different from a FICO score, which is a different scoring model used by many lenders. It's a great way to monitor your score and see how your financial habits are affecting it. You can also get your credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. In addition to your annual free report from all three bureaus, Equifax also provides U.S. consumers with 6 free reports per year through this site until 2026. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.